white box right there. I want you to imagine 30,000 bees in there. They're flying everywhere in here. They're flying all over the place. This is our beekeeper's hive. It's the hive she's going to work today. Now, do y'all understand why we didn't really bring a real hive today?
No.
Why? Yes. I'll let you figure that out.
Okay. This is a smoker. Beekeeper uses smoke to calm the bees when he's inside the hive, all right? Build a small fire in there, put leaves, grass clippings, cow chips. Do I need to explain cow chips?
No.
This is important.
They're dropping.
You go over here to have lunch, they'll ask you want potato chips, you want cow chips with this. Okay, what's going to be the answer? Anybody want cow chips?
No.
Okay. Yeah, you would? Okay, good. That's dried cattle manure, okay? Wonderful fuel, okay? Scoot it down like that. And puff some of that smoke right here into the entrance. And that calms those bees down. Now I go inside the hive.
Okay, Hannah, let me have that. Was it Hannah, right?
Okay, now I want you to hold this for me. Hold it up high so you can turn around and face your glass. Inside the hive are 10 wooden frames like this. Inside the frame is a sheet of pure beeswax. We call it foundation because this is what we want the bees to build their honeycomb on, okay? Bee comb is the six-sided cell. Six-sided figure is? Hexagon. Okay, in a beehive, there's 3 kinds of bees. The biggest bee is?
The queen.
Okay, you also have worker bees, you also have a few drones. Now, this is sized just right. Worker bees can fit through here, but the queen can't. It's called a queen excluder. Stick your thumb in the air. From the end of your thumb to your knuckle, that's about how long a queen bee is. From the end of your thumb to your end of your nail right there is about how long a worker bee is. Okay?
And the drone is, the worker bees are all females, the drones are males. There's not very many drones in a beehive. They have one job, and that's to mate with the queen, and after they do that, the workers won't let them back in the hive.
Put the queen excluder on top of the hive, and we'll put a small box on top of that. The small box is called a super, because it's where the bees store the surplus honey.
Surplus means the extra that the beekeeper gets to take.
Okay, inside it, 10 wooden frames like that with the foundation in there. This is what happens after the bees have worked it.
Oh.
Okay, you see the six-sided cell?
I didn't get to see it. No.
Yep. You can tell what happened the last time somebody touched it. Okay?
It's very fragile.
It's pretty fragile, okay? When the bees fill that cell with honey and the honey is cured, the bees will put a thin layer of wax over the top of it. It's called a cap. Alright, now our beekeeper wants to take some honey off today, so and she's going to use what we call an uncapping knife. It's very sharp. You plug it in, it gets real hot. You slide it right along the surface of this frame, cuts all the caps off the cells, and then she's going to take it over here to the extract.
So bring it over here, Hannah. This is an extract. Extract means to
Take away.
take out. So she's going to put her frame in here. She's up right in that basket there, Hannah. So we'll come back here, grab this handle and turn it as fast as you can. Faster, 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 faster. And let it go. Let it go. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Have you stop it? See that? See how fast it goes? All that honey that was in that comb goes down to the bottom of this container. And Hannah's going to take an empty jar. You all pretend like this is empty. Set it right down under that white thing right there. Push the spigot. Now Hannah's going to open this up. Push down on that right there. And underneath there, there's big, beautiful golden honey pouring out of this. And she's filling up that jar. Okay, so I'm going to close it. Quick, quick, close it. Close it. There we go. Phew! Almost had a mess. Okay, and hold them up your jar. Hannah has a nice, beautiful 3-pound jar of honey. We can get 10 of these 3-pound jars of honey out of that zipper. So how many pounds can we get out of that zipper?
30.